This chapter will teach you how to perform an ageLOC Galvanic Spa spot treatment. Before we begin, you'll need the following items: your ageLOC Galvanic Spa with the spot treatment conductor, True Face line corrector, NAPCA moisture mist, Epic hand sanitizer, and a mirror. So now we're ready to get started, and we recommend doing this treatment both morning and night every day. You can also do it right after an ageLOC Galvanic Spa facial treatment. Cami and Dane, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
And we know that you have already performed a half-face Galvanic Spa facial treatment on yourself.
Yes, we have.
Perfect. All right, well, for the spot treatment, we'll only treat half of the face so we can really compare the difference between the treated side and the untreated side.
Great.
And we'll be using the True Face line corrector to target specific problem areas and smooth the appearance of unwanted lines and wrinkles. The ageLOC Galvanic Spa with the spot treatment conductor is designed to work synergistically with True Face line corrector to improve the appearance of moderate to deep lines in specific areas such as crow's feet, frown lines, forehead lines, smile lines, lines that come from pursing your lips, marionette lines, and the lines on your neck. So Dane, let me ask you, your skin looks great as it is, but there's always room for improvement, right?
Yes, preventive maintenance.
Well, it's never too early to start. What areas would you like to target today?
Well, I've got some lines starting to appear on my forehead here, and I'm concerned about that. And then also around the eyes, I want to keep them nice and smooth. So.
All right, well, we can help with that. Cami, what areas would you like to focus on?
Well, I think I had everything on the list that you just went through, but I'm going to focus on my eyes and right here, the smile line. It's kind of deep.
Perfect. Okay, well, we can help to smooth out those lines.
Terrific.
Help you look a lot younger. So now I'm going to walk you through doing a spot treatment on yourself. And then we'll compare the difference between the two sides. So first you'll need to prepare your face for the treatment by cleansing and toning your skin, unless of course you've already done a facial treatment on yourself. Then you don't have to cleanse and tone again. First, apply the True Face line corrector generously to each of those areas. There you go. Perfect. Just apply it generously, and you want about as much, when you're squeezing it out on your hand, about as much as a size of a small coin.
Okay.
Perfect. Cami, that is perfect. Okay. So you're putting it, yes, a generous amount. Wonderful. Dane, you're doing very well. All right. So just apply to those target areas that we spoke about earlier. Dane, I'm so proud we have a man in the chair doing this treatment.
I know, he's doing great.
All right, so you've got it around. Dane's going to be working around his forehead and around your eyes, and Cami around her eyes and her smile line. Perfect. All right, well, True Face line corrector contains a positive charge, and when you use it with the positive galvanic current flowing through the ageLOC Spa, the active ingredients are delivered to the skin and help to smooth the appearance of those fine lines and wrinkles. All right, so next we program the spa. Okay, it's very simple. You want to press the selection button 3 times so that the number 3 appears. Just like that. And then the treatment time is 5 minutes, and it appears just below beside the clock icon. We recommend 2 minutes for those areas around your eyes and 3 minutes for the areas around the mouth or your forehead.
Great.
All right? So before we start, it's important that you moisten your hand. Okay. So go ahead and moisten the hand that will be holding the spa. You need to moisten those fingers. Perfect. All right, you want to conduct as much current as possible.
Okay.
All right, so then go ahead and touch the spa to your skin. All right. And you hear it automatically set the current level to your skin's needs. And you're ready to start massaging very carefully in circular motion, circular patterns. All right, so I heard another beep, and that in progress sound will play every 10 seconds to indicate that the unit is on and working. And once you have 30 seconds remaining, the sound will play every 5 seconds until your treatment is complete. You want to hold the spa so that the oval treatment area is always flat against your skin, and keep the spa in constant contact with your skin. And make sure you massage only where you have applied the True Face line corrector. And you're doing it perfectly. You massage in circular motions. That's perfect. Now repeat each step for subsequent target areas on your face, and make sure you re-wet your hand as often as you need to make sure you're conducting that current. Now, if you're treating the wrinkles around your eyes, it's always a good idea, just a good habit, to follow the bone structure. All right? Just follow the bone structure right around your eye so you don't get too close to the eye itself.
So will the Galvanic Spa treatment really help these laugh lines?
Absolutely. It will smooth out the appearance of the moderate to deep lines on your face.
Good.
Now, True Face Line Corrector targets mechanical aging, like the lines we get from smiling, or furrowing our brows, or pursing our lips. It uses a revolutionary pro-collagen peptide that helps to soften moderate to deep lines around your mouth, eyes, and forehead. Peptides have the ability to send age-reversing signals to collagen-producing cells to promote younger-looking skin. Studies show that when you use it with the Galvanic Spa, True Face Line Corrector permeates the skin to provide faster, more dramatic results than by using the True Face Line Corrector by itself. Now, at the end of your treatment, you'll hear the end treatment sound. Oh, there it is. Okay, that means that your treatment is complete, and the clock and the number of minutes will disappear, but the treatment number stays on the screen.
Okay.
Now, gently pat in any remaining product. So just go ahead and gently pat in any remaining product, and you turn off your instrument by simply pressing the button until the display is blank. All right. Let's see how you're doing. Let me help you out here without a mirror. And
Great.
Dane, I'm already seeing a really fabulous. Have you seen it too, Cammie?
Oh, that's good news.
All right, that's great. I bet you want to look in the mirror.
Yeah, show me what you got.
All right,
here.
go ahead and take a look and let me know what you see.
Oh, wow. Oh, see, that's nice. See, that's exactly what I'm worried about right there, is just trying to make those lines, you know, stay underneath the skin and not just...
You don't want to see them come out. All right.
That's beautiful.
It looks great, and you know, around your eyes look really great as well.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you can see the difference from this side to that one there. Even it's actually not quite as puffy right around this part of my eye, too, where I was using the treatment.
Wow.
Nice.
That looks great.
So, Dane, I have another question for you.
Okay.
As a man, is this something that you would actually do every day?
Oh, well, yeah. I mean, the fact that it doesn't take long is what really is exciting about it. I mean, normally a guy, you know, thinks, oh, I don't have time for that sort of thing. But if you know it's going to be something that's simple and quick and it's going to get these kind of results, then, yeah, why not take the time?
Absolutely. Yeah, it's very simple. You know, 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes in the evening.
Yeah.
Cammie.
Yes.
I'm really excited to show you the mirror.
I can't wait.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Because I was really impressed with what the facial did. So now I want to see the spot treatment. So
Absolutely. Well, I
keep me in
think you're going to
suspense?
see an even better result.
great. Absolutely. It's like two different faces. It really is. I mean, you look at both sides, there's just no comparison. This is wonderful. I'm impressed.
Good, good. And did you feel anything while the treatment was going on? It's just a nice, comfortable treatment.
It's just, very relaxing, very
Yeah.
comfortable.
Yeah, it's very relaxing, and I just sort of felt like it was energizing my skin a little bit there.
You do feel like something's happening, even though it's hard to describe it, but you feel like you've just accomplished something, even before you get to look in the mirror.
Yeah.
Well, good. Well, we've introduced you to something that will help you look younger every day.
Great.
Oh, thank you. Well, I feel like I should do the other side. I'm like Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde here.
It feels that way, doesn't it?
All right, well, thanks for participating with us today. And as you can see, in less than 10 minutes, the ageLOC Galvanic Spot treatment enables you to improve signs of aging for immediate results that everyone can notice.